name is Chepkemoi. I left Kenya to go to Saudi Arabia just with the hope and get to live a better life afterwards. But mine is just to say, if I can just be honest, mine was just a tip of the iceberg. Watu wanateseka, people are suffering there. My friends are suffering there. It's just that mine, nilipata that voice, nilipata support when niliongea. But people are suffering there, and I'm just pleading with the government, just please do something. People there are mentally tortured, psychologically tortured, and it's not fair. And it's a shame being told there's nothing you can do, there's nothing your government can do. I have power against your government. It's a shame. So I'm just pleading with the government, just please do something. Wasaidie, wanateseka, wanapitia mateso. Nile tu mimi nilipata sauti, nilipata support venye nilireach out. But kuna watu wako huko, mpaka hata mtu saizi ukimuuliza jina yake ajui. Mtoto kumuuliza kwani ni wapi ajui. Hata venye nimetoka huko tu ameniambia tu at least uwe umesikika, sauti yako imesikika. Pia sisi tusaidie.
Dana, nikuuliza alikuwa anakufanyia nini? Na pia kuna audio moja ambayo tunamsikia akisema kwamba akirudi atakupunish kwa sababu alisema huko unafanya kazi, ulikuwa rude. Alikuwa anakufanya nini haswa?
I was doing my job. So the problem started where the first time I arrived in Saudi Arabia, I had an issue with her. I reported the issue to my agent. Instead of my agent chipping in and helping me, they just, your issue and it swept to under the rug. So from there, Ajua, there's nothing I can do. She can do anything to me. Any small mistake you do now, there's nothing you can do. Nilikununua na utaka hapa mpaka umaliza contract. And if I also want, I can jail you the way I want. I can do anything against you. They know they have power against you. Yeah.
Okay, Diana, how were you able to get the pictures that you sent on social media? They have confiscated your phone. How were you able to
I saw another thing. Diana, was she back when you were rescued? She wasn't around.
How are you rescued?
Protect the girl from
So what we are going to do, as you can see, she needs to get